All right, ninth grade. This week, while we are doing our remote learning, I'll be sending you videos like this along with instructions for everything that you need to do each day, and how we're going to keep up with everything so we don't fall behind. I sent you an email yesterday stating that you had a packet that everybody needed to pick up at the school. In that packet, you're going to find stuff for your rubric for your presentation that you need to be working on, and you're also going to be finding a copy of your test that you need to do for Chapter 10. That's today. And then also for the lesson quizzes for Chapter 12 that we're going to start. All right. So today, what you need to focus on for your work, all right, is to make sure that your coronavirus paper is filled out with information. We're going to go over that tomorrow, and I'll give you the correct answers so that you have everything to make your presentation with. You need to make sure that your Black Plague worksheet is finished, and you also need to make sure that your research for your disease is done as well. Okay, so all of that should have been done today. It would have been due today if we had school. So all of that needs to be done, which is why I'm giving you your presentation rubric in that packet, and I'll also attach it to this so that you can get started on it. Your presentation in that email I told you must be emailed to me by Monday at 6 so that I can count it and that it is completed. All right, that's going to be a major grade for your next semester or next quarter grade, so you need to make sure that you have it. All right, so today you're going to do your Chapter 10 test. All right, talking about medieval Europe and the beginning of it. All right, it's everything that we've already talked about in class. It is open book, so you can use your book online to help you fill it out. All right, and then after that, you're going to read section 1 of Chapter 12. Okay, lesson 1 of Chapter 12, and you're going to do the lesson quiz that goes along with that. So that looks like this right here. All right, 12:1. All right, Crusades and Culture in the Middle Ages. That and your test are what are done today. Tomorrow, during my lecture, I'll talk about everything that you need to do coming up. We'll check in, and I'm also going to kind of give you a short lecture on everything that's going on in the chapter. All right, so I'll go over lesson 1. We'll talk about lesson 2 in the Crusades, and then you'll talk about that. All right, so that's everything that you need to do today. All right, you need to read lesson 1 in Chapter 12 on your book about Crusades in the Middle Ages, and it's going to talk about religion and how the church kind of started to use things to its advantage to get us set up for the Crusades. All right, you're going to need to finish Chapter 10 and do that test that's open book that I gave you a copy of in your packet, and then you're going to make sure that all of your research is done and you can start on your presentation for your project. All right, I'm going to include as many attachments as I can, but it probably will just be information for your project. All right, other than that, I'll talk to everybody tomorrow, and we'll go over and start learning about Chapter 12 in the Crusades. All right, see ya.